Sunshine in Douglas Canyon. What time is it? 7:30?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Where did the time go? I've been up since 6:30. Got tamales on the fire, thanks to instruction from Jose. Anita made them, but he was the one who showed us how. A tamale going. We've got red berries. Where did those red berries come from?
Red huckleberries.
Red huckleberries. What expensive store did you buy them from?
I got them somewhere.
Oh, I bet you didn't pick those.
And those are going to go on top of pancakes.
Ooh.
Bacon and eggs, pancakes, fruit, and tamales.
Praise God. Praise God. We have potato chips if we want them, babe. They're all over the ground. We have potato chips if we want them.
And apples.
And apples, yeah. Had to move the tent over there because there's so many apples on the ground here. It's like slip and slide. November 2nd. Been lots of traffic by the road here, which kind of gives you a good feeling. Lots of hunters. They must have some sort of confab going on because, gee whiz, we've heard so many trucks, relatively speaking. Maybe 10 different vehicles coming down the road. I'm guessing, we'll find out later, there must be a contingent here in the valley and then in the canyon, and a bunch that are coming in for the day. They left after dusk last night and came back in, a little caravan of 4 of them this morning early. First truck we heard was 6:30 in the morning. It was dark out, went to bed at 8. What was it? Benita went to bed at 20 of 8. She tells me I went to bed at 8. I read by the fire. You read by the fire before going to bed. And I slept till 6:30, warm as toasty. Warm as toasty. We have these wonderful Coleman extra large fabric that is flannelly sleeping bags, and we have 2 down comforters which we put on top. And I'm telling you, the temperatures undoubtedly when the low 40s, possibly even in the high 30s, and slept warm as toast. We are set for winter camping as we so choose. Car got a mud bath yesterday. The Jeep got a mud bath. So we're looking all righteous. Got the canoe, not going canoeing this weekend. There was a possibility, but we decided to go closer of necessity. You only had so many hours to get set up last night rather than go far. Talked about some lakes further east, but this canyon's going to do us just fine.